Hi everyone, my name's Lloyd, and about 2 months ago you would have seen all the excitement on social media about me joining up with INKISH. And I can say, wow, it's been a very exciting 2 months. The focus on Inkjet, the growth on Inkjet in so many regions and country is still at early stages. So my focus is going to be on the commercial as well as the 3 different packaging segments, which is flexible, folding carton and corrugated. And let's not forget labels, because there's some exciting things happening in the label space too. I'm going to be interviewing, I'm going to be visiting sites, I'm going to be showing new technology. I'm going to not give company secrets away, but give you a taste of what's to come. I've been in this industry a very long time, and there's so many statements that get made every day about people having game-changing or groundbreaking technology. So I'm the one that actually wants to go and fact check what people have to say. I want to get to site. I want to go and speak to the people that have installed it, and I want to speak to the OEMs that have manufactured and get to fact check a lot of the statements that actually get made. I've worked for OEMs in driving digital, not just on the sales side, but believe it or not, on the service department as well. I've consulted globally, I've done training globally, I've built go-to-market strategies for both OEMs and commercial printers that have got into digital and have needed to turn their businesses around. I was working with a fantastic team that led to innovation of the first inkjet printheads that got mounted onto a Cutstar unit on a Heidelberg Speedmaster. And that led to the first hybrid digital offset press in the market. If there are products out there that you feel we should go and have a look at and you're not too sure on the statements and claims that are being made, drop us the email and we'll go and investigate. We'll go and have a look at this. And I think that brings the end of my intro to what I'm going to be doing. Look forward to seeing you out there in the market. Look forward to getting your emails of stories to go and investigate. And last thing is, let's have fun while we're doing this.